A brand new spot for Malica.
Nice.
Malica Patrol is back on the hunt for the best Malica in the city. Today we're at MOOI 151. This place is completely new. They even have parking for visitors. Inside, everything is clean, fresh, and tastefully done. The interior alone gets a solid 10. Prices start from €10, and a nice bonus is that the drink and a salad from the salad bar are included. I went for the MOOI bowl with rice and chicken for €10.90. Good portion, tasty chicken fillet and rice, but the rest of the ingredients were getting lost, and for me there just wasn't enough sauce. And yes, Coca-Cola, you're doing a poor job with venues here, and nobody ever calls me back. The guys still need to tweak things in the kitchen. My food rating today is 8. So the final score for MOOI 151 is 9.